guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We are trying out breakfast places. So initially the idea was that we would try out a new breakfast place for a whole week and then I would put that whole thing up on YouTube. But I thought trying out 7 different places in one video straight would be too much, like there'll be too much happening. That's why we are doing 2 places today and we narrowed it down to like a cuisine which is South Indian food because we are South Indians. Yes, for those of you that don't know, we are South Indians. The whole idea is that we're going to try different breakfast places because we really enjoy eating. We don't do breakfast that much, but breakfast sounds exciting to us. The only problem is that we can't wake up early, and especially after coming back from Delhi, my routine has changed so much.
Get up at 7:30 in the morning.
And I wake up
to me.
Oh,
I get up by myself.
and I wake up at 11, 12 sometimes. So that's why
It
breakfast
was 2
is
on
now.
the first day.
Shut your mouth. But now it's a task to wake up early. So I thought if we do this video also, thoda bahut used to ho jayega. My routine will change. So I've already had coffee once because I can't open my eyes without coffee. And we are going to Dakshinayan, which is in Juhu, and that's our first place. I mean, out of the 2, that's the first restaurant that we're going to.
I'm excited for the podi idli especially.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I've heard podi idli
Podi
वहाँ का
idli
बहुत
is
अच्छा
very
है.
tasty.
Podi
Let's
idli,
try.
sada dosa, filter coffee, butter idli.
पोंगल पूरी डोसा मसाला डोसा अनियन रोस्ट नहीं रोस्ट पेपर डोसा
So sorry, it's very noisy here, but every table is like they've left one table and then seated people for COVID and to social distance. So we are going to order now. Black coffee. Huh? Sugar chalega.
Then 2 podi idli.
Yeah. 2 podi idlis and this is the menu.
वो डोसा कौन सा है जो सबसे बड़ा
So convenient. Best dish कौन सा होगा?
इडली में तो मोटा इडली बोला हुआ है, डोसे में रवा गार्लिक भी है।
Rava garlic best. Randomly we'll talk to them in Tulu. हाँ Ding. ऐसा हॉस्पिटल मास पाइवर. ऐसा हॉस्पिटल मास पाइवर. It's very important. ये ना तीन पानी मखा. Podi idli. Maka. Yeah, I wanted my chashma. Now I can say hi then. Yeah, are you excited? Are you excited? Very safe.
I am a big fan of Ayyappa.
No, यहाँ पे
never
कभी
been
नहीं. Ayyappa, you've gone.
Ayyappa.
Me and Isha have not gone anywhere, I think. If any of you are South Indians, comment something in whatever South Indian language you speak. I might not understand it, but
The best
smell
in
it.
Bangalore. Bangalore has the
है ना? है ना? And for some reason, filter coffee always reminds me of your घर का coffee.
मम्मी बनाती थी.
Mummy.
And वो evening time वाला.
Yeah.
This is my
Mummy
second
used to
coffee
make.
of the day already.
Same shit. And after this, I'm filming with Manav and I have to have another coffee with him. I might lose it.
Stay ready to stay up.
Stay ready to stay up the whole night. Isha talks as if she's some MTV की host. Like you're on the Neelam show. Guys, podi idli is here, and we have chutney, and we have sambar, and ignore my nails. Oh my god, guys. Is the size of this dosa. Oh no! That's why they kept these 2 plates here. They're like balance hoga dosa zameen mein. What the hell? Look at the size of this dosa. It's not even fitting on my screen.
It's so buttery and that chutney and melts in your mouth.
I'm screaming. Look at her. She's starting from there. Oh no. You all like dosa with sambar or chutney or sambar chutney mix?
Sambar chutney mix.
Yeah, I like chutney more.
Chutney.
We've made it halfway, guys. This is progress. Good job. Good job. Strategy use करना पड़ता है, guys. वो plates we have shifted now. 2 plates आ गए, other than 3, and now we're halfway.
I think it finished.
Very crispy and yet not too crispy. Because I like soft dosa also. Trying my filter coffee. By the way, we've destroyed the dosa. It's gone. And now we are considering to order the rava
We already ordered.
You all ordered? What was I doing?
Butter, rava butter garlic dosa. We didn't order the masala one because masala will be too much. It's kadwa. It's too strong.
It's a flavor.
It's too strong.
Yeah.
I'm not used to very strong coffees. Like I have very mild ones. So
Hey, yaar, she's filming. Bola, कैसे ना से seriously कब से feel that you filming? You want to tell her? Thank you.
this is very strong, man. How I'll do that video with Manav.
Even the filter was very strong, so I understood this with this. That's color.
Rava garlic dosa is here, and I feel like we are a little too full.
So what?
What? It's nice, but I don't think I'll order it. Does anyone do pocket dosas? Like how dosa ka wrap ho jayega with masala ka filling, like
Please, like. Remember dosa khadra like this?
dosa, samosa, damosa.
Love you, sir.
Rabiosa.
Love you, Shakira song that we,
This is day 2 of us trying South Indian food. We just reached Ayyappa's. Ayyappa's is in Matunga, which is like very far from my house. It took us 1 hour with traffic because a lot of the roads also on the way were under construction, so there was a lot of traffic. But now we are finally here, and जब हम finally पहुंचे हैं, ये दिखा है हमको यहाँ पे roads बंद हो चुकी है, and Ayyappa's is right around the corner somewhere. Because the road is closed, I'm sitting in the car and my sisters have gone to get a parcel because वहाँ पे भी इतनी बैठने की जगह नहीं है, but वहाँ बैठने के लिए हमको पूरी गाड़ी घुमा के जाके पार्क करनी होती, तो वो बहुत hassle होता है. अब हम में patience नहीं है because we are very hungry. हमने कुछ नहीं खाया है because we were going to eat Ayyappa's, and पता नहीं था इतना time लगेगा यहाँ पहुँचने. So I'm very excited. Please, I hope it's worth it. It's like an idli stall, so it has outdoor seating. ऐसे कुछ restaurant type नहीं है. You can't dine in basically. We checked on Google also. That's why I got the car with me because cab में आते तो I don't think cab में भी allow करते हैं हमको खाने. And a lot of you are asking कि आप diet नहीं कर रहे हैं. आपने तो cheat meal का video डाला था. मैं नहीं कर रही डाइट. I know guys, I know आप कोई बहुत disappointed हो गए मुझ में, but the thing is after I made that video I did the diet for 3 days and then I fell sick, तो मुझे डाइट रोकना पड़ा, which was difficult. I mean मतलब डाइट रोकना difficult नहीं था, वो डाइट करना difficult था. मेरी डिलेमा ही यही है लाइफ में कि हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं. यही टाइम है मेरा बेस्ट दिखना, पता है. लाइक you should look at yourself and be satisfied, like this is my best version. So मुझे वो भी करना है, but at the same time मुझे ये भी है कि हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं. मुझे सब कुछ खाना है और मुझे sacrifice नहीं करना, मुझे life जीनी है, but कुछ तो कहीं तो करना पड़ेगा sacrifice, but I don't know. What reviews of the place?
Hi. I've already eaten ये place से पहले. I do love it.
Please guys, without eating only I'm saying, go try the pineapple seera. I've had it even
Seera.
इसको सीरा ही बोलते हैं.
It's Sheera.
Can you catch this? नहीं वो लोग सीरा बोलते
ये pineapple Sheera?
हैं. Yeah.
I think I've had it somewhere.
I've not had it.
Banana leaf.
Should I keep?
मैं बोल रही हूँ banana leaf भले ही इस vlog में नहीं होकर भी है.
First thing that we have. This is podi idli. Da, 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 da.
Nice ना? With the masala, it's
Is there one more spoon?
Thanks.
उसका भी बहुत सही था, no doubt. Like close competition if you see. But मेरे को like I like this place पहले से ही. I've come here पहले भी 2-3 times.
It's very nice.
But this is tasty यार.
This is garden dosa.
ये यार हमको
In the plate ना they arrange it ऐसा standing ऐसा.
थोड़ा हमारा कॉर्न्स है गाड़ी में खाने का, but कुछ नहीं
Yeah, like the
चटनी का क्या
presentation.
करेंगे चटनी का?
I think everyone likes
is there
chutney.
cheese
inside?
Yeah.
This is garden
Is that
dosa.
beetroot?
Yeah.
But
It's garden dosa.
I don't like the garden then.
चटनी को pour करूँ?
I really hate beetroot. I think pour it on.
I do.
I don't like
want
this garden.
I want to eat.
It's too beaty.
No, I cannot have it. I'm sorry.
Wait, corn one bhi
Even
hai.
I liked it more when I had eaten at Pelham.
What is this?
This
What?
pomegranate.
There's pomegranate in it. I like things when they are things, not when they try to be something else. बैठ के खाने में मजा नहीं है because we are all struggling also, तो हमारा focus ज़्यादा उसमें है.
And it
Dip
has
it in
beetroot,
chutney
so it's a
properly.
no for me before I even have it.
You can try it.
No,
खुशी इतना
One
beetroot
bite.
का taste भी नहीं आ रहा है frankly.
I cannot. I can see the beetroot.
Chutney is yum.
चटनी के साथ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
We poured the whole chutney in the podi idli ka container because we have to improvise.
हनी हमने आज तक नंदू वंदू का डोसा. You also अरे हनी तो eaten it.
Arey, honey.
Yeah.
The time that Isha was in college and she used to bunk college, I used to bunk with her. So we've tried all this Nandu dosa and जुहू में जो colleges के बाहर वाला डोसा है ना.
Anand.
Oh my god.
Have you had the vada pav from
Yum.
Anand? Dingy has.
I love the Chinese dosa.
Love
You know,
Anand.
like the Chinese noodle,
You remember
noodle wala.
अरे मेरे घर के पास वाले से we eat that
It's
ना
so
every time.
wow.
Chinese street.
Here we have pizza dosa.
Can you keep this in the dashboard?
It's ऐसा container में.
The dashboard
But I
is
can
not gonna have
see
space.
थोड़ा बहुत cheese and capsicum by the book. I feel like pav bhaji would have been.
अरे पाव भाजी is too good.
You've tried.
Yeah, that only I wanted to take ना उसने बोला नहीं है. It's too good. This is okay. I don't.
No.
They can do better with pizza. Sorry to say, but pizza dosa का dosa base has to be very patla and this is mota.
Sorry to say.
I've had
Um,
nandu dosas, so I know how it is.
मतलब
I think it's okay.
it's थोड़ा
It should have been crispy, पता है नीचे का उसका.
नहीं. I didn't like the अंदर का जो filling
Yeah.
होता है ना वो थोड़ा
It's too
plain सा है.
like जैसे हमें भी ऐसा list.
Madras Cafe and Banana Leaf you guys can try.
Yeah.
Also Ramashray.
The chutney is only yum.
चटनी डालना हरी डालना.
अरे
But I feel like we also did get hot food. Like it's not cold and all. So like it shouldn't be that different.
people that don't like ज़्यादा भाजी will not like garden dosa because उसमें beetroot है, उसमें corn है, उसमें पनीर है, उसमें
Pomegranate.
pomegranate क्यों है? Is my question.
What is a dog?
Let's open one more pudi idli.
Yeah.
Let's end on a good note because
We
pudi
have
idli is
Sheera
nice.
after that.
And then
Sheera.
pineapple sheera. Sheera I've had one. I think I've had pineapple sheera once
Honey,
at some puja or something.
Banana leaf में I think.
अरे यार.
I think.
इतना तो banana leaf has not gone also.
brand ambassador or what?
So what's your final rating? Dakshinayan or Ayyappa?
Dakshinayan.
Comparing आज का and all ऐसे, but my usual basis it's Ayyappa. I will say that Ayyappa is always more tastier.
I'll say Dakshinayan.
Same. Personally, it's Dakshinayan.
For me, गाड़ी का भी इतना वो नहीं है बैठने का because we eat food गाड़ी में बैठ के. Amar and all we
Amar.
go तो we always eat in the car. तभी I've never complained about their pav bhaji because it's yum.
If they disappoint me with the Sheera na, I'm on Dakshinayan side. And he's only eating chutney. इसमें I think they've put flavor काफी.
But I just don't like
Pineapple
that
essence.
flavor in Sheera.
Sheera.
So I think that's why I'm not a big
Same.
fan.
Like
Same.
very yummy. I'm only eating this because I have a sweet tooth.
नहीं, I didn't like this.
The texture and all
Too
of the
yellow.
Sheera is very nice, but it's like खाली flavor ज़्यादा गिर गया. Like you
हाँ.
can't have a lot.
ऐसे शीरा wise it's good but the
Yeah.
flavor
We have like 1-2 bites.
I want it
Yeah.
very yummy because of the ghee and everything.
I
But
think we're done.
it's
and वहाँ का
Dakshinayan for me.
Same.
So that was our final verdict. We are now semi full. I think we'll want to go home and eat something else also. We are now leaving from here because हमारे पीछे while we were eating a lot of things were happening. People were fighting on the road and all, and we four were very not bothered by it, and we were continuing to eat our sheera. So now I think we should leave this spot because people are just looking at us. So let me know in the comments if this was fun and if you want a new part. And if you want us to continue this, we'll try to other places of a different cuisine next time. Let me give the shout outs. The shout outs for today go to Rashi Khandelwal and Muskan Solani. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe. All you have to do is subscribe and let me know in this video that you have. Thanks, my partners in food and always.
Woo.
Always.
in food and always.
Always. Share
Always.
tattoos. See you all next time. We need to go home now. 1 hour again.
I think I might throw up.
Bye.